The annual prize-giving ceremony of the Cricket Association of Bengal witnessed a galaxy of stars. Two of the greatest seamers in the history of Bengal cricket, Ashok Dinda and Somendranath Kundu, were sitting side by side. Legendary cricketers like Sambaran Banerjee and Chuni Goswami were also there in that program. The sports minister of the Ministry of West Bengal, Madan Mitra, was also present in that ceremony. But this might be the best frame of the night. Former Indian legendary middle-order batsman Gundappa Viswanath bestowed one of the greatest seamers of Bengal cricket, Somendranath Kundu. The mementos of the bouquet of flowers were also handed by Gundappa Viswanath. But at the beginning of the program, the Cricket Association of Bengal welcomed Gundappa Viswanath in that ceremony. And after that, the cricketers were felicitated by the parent body of Bengal cricket. Bengal speedster Ashok Dinda was judged the best cricketer of the season for Bengal. Players like Riddhiman Saha and Mohammad Shami were unable to collect their prize as they are in the national team who are touring England for the Test series. Bengal captain Lakshminathan Shukla was also awarded a special prize for scoring the maximum number of runs in the last Ranji Trophy season. The best women cricketer of the year was awarded to Priyanka Roy. Let's watch what the Lifetime Achievement awardee Somendranath Kundu was saying about it.
আমি যেটা করেছিলাম সেটা বাংলা ক্রিকেটের ভবিষ্যৎ দেখেই করেছিলাম, কেন আমি তো এতদিন ধরে বল করলাম, আর ওই ছেলেটা তো আরও ভালো বল করছে, এখন সে খেলুক, সে যদি নিজেকে প্রুভ করতে পারে ভালো ভালো, আর যদি না করে তো আমি আবার যাব। এ সবই তো মানে একটা ঘটনা থেকে আসে, এখানে তো নিজস্ব কোনো রকম দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি থাকে না কেউ।